What a beautiful chart, S&P 500. This is absolutely crazy. Look at that V-shaped recovery, guys. S&P is actually up 10.5% in last 10 days. The price right now for S&P 500 is higher than it was on the first day of the war. Absolutely crazy. And also, I want to show you another data, which is this 10-day return is the best 10-day gain since coming off the COVID lows in March 2020. Absolutely stunning. And traders actually love the volatility. We know traders love volatility. We as traders want volume and volatility to trade, and that is exactly what's happening. Look at the Bollinger Bandwidth, which tells you how much volatility is there, and right now it's moving towards the upside. Last time we saw these levels was in May 2025, which is 1 year. It's been 1 year that we did not see any kind of volatility like this, and right now it's absolutely amazing. We are killing it with the trades. Yesterday I gave you Robinhood trade in the markets. I gave you the trade in the video as well. Stunning trade, nailed it, took all the profits. And remember guys, it's not about the price action and the patterns. It's not about who understands technical analysis better. It is always about risk management and market psychology, which is why you're here. You're here because you want to treat this as a business, as a very serious business, and we're not gambling on this channel. Look at this. This is my first Bitfunded account. I'm going to show you two Bitfunded accounts. This is the live account, trader account. And I've got a payout ratio here as well, 80% payout ratio, 10K account, currently sitting in profit. I can actually withdraw $100 from it. So this is how a real account works. Bitfunded is absolutely original. You can use Bitfunded to make money. And this is my demo account. So this is my challenge account, which is running right now, $10,000 account. It's at 535 already, and I need to achieve $800, which is $250 more to get it to stage 2. So I'm doing my live account, I'm doing my prop demo account, everything guys. This is the best way to get funded. And look, yesterday I took beautiful trades on Bitfunded. You can trade crypto, equities, you can trade commodities as well. All you need to do is be on the right side of the market, and that is what we are doing on this channel. If you want to trade Bitfunded, link is in the description guys. Use that link, get discount, get in there, ask me questions and get funded. Everything is here. Everything is here on this Google sheet. I have it attached and it is live. I basically make sure that I'm updating it all the time. The link is going to be in the description, and if it's not there, you can comment below and just say please send the link, and I'm going to send you the link. I'm updating it all the time, and every single trade is here guys. These are the trades I've taken in April, all these 8 trades, and look at the win ratio. We are currently up 18.3%. absolutely crazy. And this is what I say, I don't want anything from you. I want to build a massive community, the best trading community, who are actually treating this as a business. So I want you to smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and you will see how serious I am for this game. Obviously I'm going to joke in the middle, but I will never not manage my risk properly. I will never treat trading like gambling. You will see that my risk management is always on point, like an algorithm. That's how I trade, because for me this is very important. For me this is my bread and butter, simply guys. So why is the market moving towards the upside is because of the negotiations, the renegotiations, which can happen tomorrow. So Jonathan Kahl, who is actually ABC News chief Washington correspondent, he said that Trump spoke to him, and Trump said that there is no point extending the ceasefire because he believes that it's not necessary. Trump said that he is watching for amazing 2 days ahead. He really does. He really does. So he believes that the next 2 days are going to be very important, and he believes that the deal is going to happen pretty soon. And remember, why is it happening is because right now, for the first time in the war, Trump and the US actually has an upper hand in this war. So yesterday was the first full day of US naval blockade on Iran, and 0 vessels left Iran ports, which is bad because Iran's main income is via oil. So 0 vessels left Iran ports. 6 merchant ships turned back after American warnings. So Iran had a block on Strait of Hormuz, and America has a blockade of the block. So America says that we're not going to let you go, bro. We're not going to let you go. If you're not going, then you're not making any money, which is bad for Iran. And then Iran's president came out and panicked. In the leaked audio, he said, we are weeks away from the collapse. They're cutting off our main source of income, which is oil. I don't know how we will pay salaries. So Iran is right now on its knees only because US was smart enough to block the Strait of Hormuz, the block of the block, the blockade. Absolutely amazing. 8 Iranian tankers, linked tankers, intercepted since the blockade started Monday, so they are not allowing them to go. US has an upper hand, which is why Trump is confident about this move, and market is moving towards the upside, and we are absolutely killing it, guys. We are absolutely killing it. Okay. Nasdaq currently reaching the all-time highs. I'm not saying that it's going to go towards the all-time highs and the price discovery. I'm not betting on a direction. I am a trader. Whatever happens in the market, I trade according to that. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, you are going to get some setups that I'm looking forward to in the remainder of the week. All right. So Nasdaq and S&P both moving towards the all-time highs. This can be a lower low as well. The worst case scenario for the bulls can be that this is a lower high, or this actually goes into a deviation and then it makes new lows. So that's going to be very, very bad. And you know what? One smart guy, Ben Cowen, one of the smartest guys, actually talking about it. S&P had its 10% drop, right? Obviously, we saw the 10% drop in S&P. Now he says that we are rallying back to the highs. Yeah, we are rallying back to the highs as we saw. So topping is a long process that takes time, right? Obviously, it's a long process. It takes time. And he also says that we can go to the new highs and we can drop once again. And this is what Bitcoin did when it went to 109K in January 2025. And then it dropped really, really hard. I think he thinks that S&P is building the same pattern again, and Bitcoin is actually front running. So Bitcoin bear market is front running the S&P bear market. So he believes that the stock market is going to fall further down, and I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just looking at the charts. The first chart I'm looking forward to for a trade is Tesla. Tesla right now is in this downtrend. Trend is your friend until the end. And right now, when you see there is a downtrend, you are looking for counter rallies, and the counter rally is going to end here. This counter rally over here at $375 is where I'm going to be looking to short Tesla until this level, right? But we're going to be TPing in the middle. We're going to be TPing here. We're going to be TPing here. We're going to be TPing here. So we are going to be TPing in the middle, but this is the next trade I'm looking forward to in the stock market, which is Tesla short position. Very easy, guys. Apple is also the chart I'm looking forward to. I talked about this in yesterday's video too. Descending triangle, very beautiful descending triangle. Clear boundaries, reaching towards the apex. Let it roll. Keep it in your watch list. Just make sure that you're waiting for the breakout or breakdown to trade this thing. That is it, I'm gonna say. All right, MicroStrategy is the next one. MicroStrategy, I've got a limit order already. Go to my journal. I've told you guys, journal is here for everyone. You can see I've got a limit order at 103, and my limit order is pretty sorted. It's here at the level where it was in 2024, and it was in Feb 2026 as well. So in my opinion, it's going to come to this level, tap, and give us a nice trade towards the upside of around 15%. I'm going to take it on leverage, right? So this is all about equities, guys. Create a watch list, keep everything sorted, open my journal, make sure that you're using Bitfunded, make sure that you're managing risk at every point in time, at every single interval, right? Now, nothing here is financial advice. Remember that I am not giving you any financial advice. This is all for educational purposes, and we're just trading together. That's it. Nothing else. Just fun and games. Okay. So if you look at the oil chart perfectly rejected here of the trend line, and right now it's moving towards the downside at the support, and obviously it will take a support here. We knew that it's going to take a support here, but if the talks are continued and progress, if there is progress in the deal, then obviously it's going to fall further down to the new lows. I think short oil is the best trade right now. If the deal goes through, if the deal does not go through, then long oil remains the best trade. Right now I do not have any levels. Coming to crypto now, guys. Bitcoin is right now creating that fractal once again. Same fractal. Look at that beautiful fractal. And everyone is talking about how it's going to break down. This is the bear market. It's going to go to literally $50,000. I don't know. Maybe it does. And it should. It should. According to the previous halving cycles, it should. Right? But right now, it's above the level, above this trend line, above this level. So until the time it breaks below 71.7, I am not looking to short it. I will be looking to short it somewhere here, like this, at this level. This is where I'm going to be looking to short BTC. All right. When it comes to Solana, yesterday I took the trade, but I closed pretty early. If you look at my journal, you know that I closed my trade pretty early. This is why you need the journal, because I can create a 10-minute video here, then I'll go for the day, right? But my journal is always going to be active. It's live, so you can just keep an eye on it. and you can change your trade like I'm changing my trade. So it's breaking down now, and obviously it is coming down to this level. So if you want to short this, then the shorting opportunity is going to be perfect, like this, something like this. So any point towards 84.6 is going to be a nice short on Solana towards this level, which is the bottom of the range, bottom of the consolidation. This consolidation has been going on since 68 days now, right? The final chart I want to show you guys is Hyper Liquid moving towards the upside. This is one of the charts which is showing strength with Tau not right now, but Zcash, you know, you've got Hyper Liquid, these are showing strength, and I love this trend line. I love this beautiful trend line. Look at that, some taps here as well, and any tap to this level is a good one, and if it breaks down, then it's a perfect short opportunity on Hyper Liquid. That's what I'm looking forward to. As a trader, you need to be aware of the fact that markets can go in either direction. People will talk about it going up or down. People will create fractals. That is amazing. That is amazing. You need a direction as well to trade, but trend is your friend until the end. Right now, Hyperliquid trend is towards the upside, so you're trading towards the upside. If Tesla trend is towards the downside, let's say, then you are trading towards the downside. As simple as that, guys. So guys, simply smash the like button. If you're here until now, which is 11-12 minutes in the video, this means that I was alpha. So you need to smash that like button, comment below what you think about the video. So many things coming up, doing podcasts, doing live trading, doing fundamental series, so many things coming up. There are not going to be any breaks on this channel, guys. Treating it as a business. I will see you tomorrow, and until then, take care. Bye bye.